everyone, this is Amy. Welcome today to my channel. Once again, I'm going to be creating a very simple design, great for beginners. If you're a more experienced painter, add your own twist to it. But this is meant to be simple, just to give people an opportunity to start to paint. I will have a list and a picture in the video and a list of my items that I'm using, as well as in the information down below the video, just so you know. So I was just showing you my palette, and the first thing I'm going to start with is my larger round brush. I'm going to dip it into the purple paint, tip it a little bit with the white, like that, and then I'm going to move this to the side. That's the basic technique. So then I'm going to come over here to the glass mug. I'm going to push down, kind of spread my bristles out, push them up a little bit, and then as I pull back, I'm going to lift up. Alright, so let's do this again. I'm going to do that, spread them out, push them up, pull them back. And you don't have to keep reloading your brush each time. You can if you want, but I just give it a little twist, a push, and then pull back. That's up to you. So we're going to do this, twist it a little bit, push up, and then as you pull back, you bring the bristles up to a point. And it's okay to have this. You want to have irregular leaves. You don't want them all to be the same. At least I don't. Alright, I'm going to do like another one down here. Do the same thing. Spread it out. I pushed it up, and then as I come back, I'm going to release. And then do it again. Push it down. Spread those bristles out. Push them up and pull them back. And if you want to leave a little space in between, you can. That's up to you. Again, push up, bring it back. Very simple. I love round brush painting, actually. Push it up, pull it back. And it just gives it more interest if you put, just vary the paint. I think it gives it more interest. If you don't like that look, then that's fine. Don't vary it if you don't want to. Oh, what happened there? It kind of looks like something touched it. And you can go back over it if you want. If you're doing it on glass, the thicker you put your paint on, the more durable it will be. If you want it to go all the way around, you can do that as well. I'm just going to leave it like this, being 4 petals. I'm going to take my liner brush. I'll show you that. I have this little thin liner brush, and don't even ask me where I got it. I've had it for a long time. Love it. Love to find a new one. I'm sorry, I don't really know for sure. But I'm going to come in here, do my little stem. And I like to use a couple colors, so if you just want to use green, that's fine. If you want a different shade of green, that's fine. My ideas are just something simple to give you some direction to start in. Purely that simple. Alright, so then I'm going to grab a smaller round brush, and I'm going to dip it into the green and the yellow, just like I did with the purple. So I'm going to do the green first, tip it with the yellow, and very, very simple. And then what you can do on this, if you want to go like this and pull it down, you can. Pull them down like this. Or you can go the other direction. Like I said, let me throw a little bit more yellow in this. Make it stand out a little bit more. Or you can turn it the other direction. If you want it to start out small, well, not too small, but like that. So you can do it either way. And then maybe bring these up like this. Bring them out like that. So either way. Just so you can see it. And then if you want to come out from the stem, and create a petal, you know, leaf petal. You can do that. Maybe even come up this way. If you want to add a little bit more yellow to it, go back over it. And if you want to crisp up the line here, you can go back over it too. And it doesn't have to be a lot of petals. If many of you have followed me for a while, you know that I get crazy with leaves. So I'm going to stop before I get crazy with leaves here. But you can go up and around if you want to add some more leaves coming out around it. It's up to you. If you want to add some dots to your design, you can dot around it. I'm just going to leave it like this just so that it's very simple and you get the gist. In the background of this video, you will hear a light sound bath. I hope that you enjoy that. It's just to help you relax a little bit and enjoy the video and just get a little bit of positive vibrations from it. So here you have it. If you have any questions, comments, please put those down below the video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, and please feel free to share this video with anyone that you would like to share it with. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Until the next time, you stay safe and healthy and have a good one.